Hello guys,
Hi.
and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you a Passover tutorial, but again, if you don't celebrate, then yeah, but I do. So it's still fun, yeah. And you can do this with other holidays probably.
Easter eggs, right?
Yeah. So
Not
yeah,
Passover.
and it's for, you're not on camera, it's for a Seder plate, and so basically we made it out of Play-Doh. I'll show you. And I'm going to show you how I did it. So, what you'll need is just some Play-Doh or dough.
Well, we tried a baby oil thing.
Yeah, we were going to use clay, but it didn't really work. And then you'll need a Seder plate. You can also do this with Easter eggs, or you can even make Halloween stuff, or yeah.
All right, I want to try it.
Yeah. So, I'm just going to basically make all the things that go on the Seder plate out of Play-Doh. So I'll start with the egg. And I apologize if it looks terrible.
Use some yellow Play-Doh from
It's
Dollar
the egg.
Tree.
I'm just using yellow, and I'm just rolling it and then shaping it like an egg. Like that. So then the shank bone, I'm going to take some orange. And I'm just going to shape it. And then since I don't have black, I'm going to take purple, because that's what's closest to black, and make that the bone. And it would look better if I was doing this with two hands probably, but since I'm doing it one-handed, it's not going to look right. So yeah, so just like that. And then the bitter herbs, I would use green, but my green I already used for the actual Seder plate, so I'm just going to use blue as an example. But I would normally use a green. These are just from Dollar Tree, and I like putting lotion in them because it softens them a little bit. It was like $1 for this whole pack, so it was a good deal. So the bitter herbs, I'm just going to shape it like what they look like. I actually don't really know what they look like unless I'm looking at this. And again, normally, if you were doing this two-handed, it would be a lot easier. So.
Well, she has a camera in her hand. She's filming herself. Sophie's like,
Yeah. Then the parsley, I'm just gonna make that now. And then we have the bitter greens. I apologize if you can't see this very well.
Alright, I like this idea for the Gorfor. Right?
Yeah. Here are bitter greens. And I'm just going to make sure all the words are showing. And then finally we have the hakarose. Hakarose. So that's just like mushy apple stuff. So, red. I'm just basically rolling balls and then putting them together. You can, yeah. So yeah, that's how you would make a Play-Doh Seder plate. And this is what, like,
For Passover.
this is what an ideal one would look like.
This is what we actually did.
Without holding a camera and with the right colors and stuff.
Yeah, it's the
Minus
right
the
colors.
purple bone and the
Well, most of
orange.
them are green.
Yeah, most of them are green. And you can also do this with Easter eggs. You can just shape them like this, and even if you wanted to like dye Easter eggs but you don't have eggs, you can just color them with marker. You can even just color like Play-Doh eggs with marker if you wanted to dye Easter eggs.
Yeah, this is like a white Play-Doh.
Yeah, so this
This is
is
fake Play-Doh from Dollar Tree.
yeah, it actually works well, and it doesn't stick together.
And
Which
my
I like.
sister put lotion in it, so it smells
Like,
good.
see?
It smells good because my sister put lotion in it.
Barely sticks together.
Virtual app.
Yeah. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. And this is great if you don't have ingredients, like we don't during quarantine. And
We're on
thanks for
quarantine.
watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye.
Bye.